Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Ever wished you could leave your phone behind during a workout but still have your favorite music? Well, with your Garmin watch, you absolutely can. Connecting Spotify means all your playlists are right there on your wrist. It's truly a game changer for staying motivated and focused on your fitness goals, giving you the freedom to move without extra baggage. Before we dive in, let's quickly check if you have everything ready. You'll definitely need an active Spotify Premium account, as this feature isn't available for free users. Your Garmin watch also requires a strong Wi-Fi connection to download music. And of course, make sure you have the Garmin Connect app installed and updated on your phone. Okay, let's get that connection made. Start by opening the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. From there, find your device settings, then look for the music option. You'll see Spotify listed. Select it, and then simply log in using your Spotify Premium credentials. It's a straightforward step to authorize the link between your watch and your music service. Now that Spotify is linked, it's time to get your music on the watch itself. On your Garmin watch, open the music controls and select Spotify. You can then browse your personalized playlists, albums, or podcasts. Choose what you want, and your watch will begin downloading the content over Wi-Fi. Just remember to keep it charged and connected for a smooth transfer. With your music downloaded, you're ready to go. Simply pair your favorite Bluetooth headphones directly to your Garmin watch. Once connected, open the music controls, select your desired playlist, and start listening. It's that easy to enjoy your Spotify tracks phone-free. Don't forget to update your playlists regularly to keep your workouts fresh and exciting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.